everyone. So it's been a really long time since I vlogged and posted a content here on YouTube. And today is a really special day for me because a brand reached out and sent a package for the second time around. And if you've watched my previous videos, then maybe you are already familiar with the brand that I am talking about based on the jewelries that I am wearing today. But if you're not, then I am going to introduce you to a very lovely brand. So this brand is SayaBling Jewelry. So SayaBling Jewelry sent to me another package which contains one of their jewelry collection. Just a little background, SayaBling Jewelry is an online retailer or seller that specializes in crafting jewelries primarily made up of 925 sterling silver with lab-created gemstones. They offer different kinds of jewelries such as wedding bands, engagement rings, wedding rings, necklace, different kinds of bracelets, bangles, and even men accessories or men jewelries. So if you wanted to check out their website, I am going to put a link in the description box as well as their social media accounts so you can check out some of the reviews and pictures of their jewelries. And if you are interested to buy some of their jewelry pieces, then I am going to give you a voucher, a discount voucher that I will also be putting in the description box of this video. So since na-unbox ko na siya and nakita ko na rin yung jewelry piece na binigay ng SayaBling, then maybe it's time for you to see the unboxing part of this video and to see the jewelry piece that SayaBling gave. So without further ado, let us move on to the unboxing part of this video. So this is the box that contains the jewelry piece, and when you open this box, you can see another box and some stuffs around it, and dito rin nakalagay yung mga jewelry care cards and discount cards ng SayaBling Jewelry. So this one right here, this box right here contains the jewelry piece. So as you can see, I've got a pair of earrings. So this earring is a 4 carat total weight round classic stud earrings. So I'll put it in the description box if you also want this kind of earring. So as you can see sa close-up kanina, meron siyang malaking gemstones at the middle, and yung gilid niya is punong-puno ng maliliit na diamonds or gemstone. Actually, this puts an emphasis on your look when you put it on your ears. Kasi, as you can see, kapag hinold ko siyang ganito, nagre-reflect talaga yung light niya and nakakaagaw talaga siya ng attention. Wait, let me just put it on so that you can see how this looks like when I wear it. also, one thing that I wanna add is that for all the months, 9 months or less, nagamit ko yung SayaBling Jewelry, which is yung necklace and yung bangles na unang bigay nila sa akin. Especially yung bangles. Hindi ko siya kinakitaan ng any signs of tarnish or pag-fade. And even though nag-accumulate yung dirt dito, I just clean it with a jewelry polishing cloth and then okay na ulit, good to go na. As in, wala siyang hindi siya nag-fade, guys. So, it's a really good thing. And I think with that, I have already proved that SayaBling Jewelry is a high-quality jewelry base sa nakitang performance niya every time nasuot ko siya and all through this months na nasa akin siya. So, I am really trusting on this pair of earrings na maintain niya yung quality and yung shine niya na nakikita ko ngayon all throughout the months or years na gagamitin ko siya. I think that's all for the part of this video, and I wanna take this opportunity to thank SayaBling Jewelry for sending me this collection and this amazing jewelry pieces. So, yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye!